Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Satitra, owner of Kay's Natural Cleaning, and today's video I am going to be hand washing my pillowcases, and I'm also going to show you how to make your own DIY linen spray using natural products. And so yeah, I am hand washing my pillowcase because last night I fell asleep with my makeup on, and I normally do not do that. I know that it's so bad for your skin, but we had my stepkids over last night and then my two kids, and it was a little rowdy. And by the time at the end of the night, I was just exhausted. So not an excuse though, I should have washed my face. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to hand wash that using natural products, for if you have that mistake sometimes, because I know it happens every once in a while to some of us. So yeah, let's get started. In today's video, I did a collaboration with the Holy Hippie. If you check out her channel, she shares tips for Christian women declutter their homes, simplify life, and achieve their goals through minimalism and mindfulness. Also check out her Instagram page. It is very beautiful. There's lots of tips there, and I just love the theme that she has going on. She also has helped me out with decluttering my closet and organizing my dresser. So I really think you guys need to check her out. I will share the link below. Thanks. First, I am going to start by removing the pillowcases off the pillows. Now I know that our pillowcases are a little bigger than our pillows, but when we got to bed, we bought these pillows for ourselves, and then we bought the pillowcases and didn't realize that they were bigger. We do plan on getting some more in the future, but it's just not a priority right now, so please excuse us. And right here you can see some of the brown makeup foundation that is left on the pillow. Not sure if you guys can see it really good, but yeah. And right here you can see some more spots right there. And now I'm going to start using some lukewarm water and Dr. Bronners. I am going to use 1 tablespoon of soap. Once I have that, I'm going to pour that inside the running water so that it's spread out. And I'm going to grab my pillowcases and put them inside the water and start soaking it. And now actually I'm going to add more soap because that wasn't enough. So I did 1 more tablespoon of Dr. Bronners, and you can use any Dr. Bronner's soap. And then I just start scrubbing the pillowcases together. And now I am rinsing off my pillowcases. I probably scrub for about 5 minutes. Just keep washing until you feel that the spots are away, but it shouldn't take no more than 10 minutes to wash. Now it's time to wring out your pillowcase, and you're going to check it for some spots, see if it's all gone, and then wring it out some more if you have to. And then once you are done checking for spots and wringing it out and shaking it up a little bit, hang it above your shower top so that it can dry. And then you're going to want to leave this here for about 2 to 4 hours. And now as we wait for the pillowcases to dry, we can get started on our DIY linen spray. You're going to need 2 cups of distilled water, a amber Boston bottle, essential oil, 1 or 2, a tunnel, tablespoon, and of course rubbing alcohol. You can also use witch hazel. We're going to start by removing the spray bottle cap, and then once we remove that, we are going to grab our tablespoon and our rubbing alcohol and add in 1 tablespoon of the rubbing alcohol. Make sure you grab your tunnel as well and stick that in the bottle, which I didn't do at first, which I should have. You will see here in a moment. And then next we are going to grab our essential oils. You are going to want to add in 25 to 30 drops. You don't need 2 essential oils. I just like lemon and lavender mixed together. So I added in 10 drops of the lemon oil, and then I'm going to add in 10 drops of the lavender oil. And you are going to stir with your spray bottle top straw. Just kind of stir that or wiggle the bottle around a little bit just to mix the alcohol and essential oils together first. Alright, and now you're going to add your tunnel back inside the bottle and pour in your 2 cups of distilled water. That is it. That is all you need to make your DIY linen pillow spray. And back to the pillowcases. As you can see, there are no spots left on my pillowcases. I am so excited and so happy. It's just a very simple and natural way to clean your pillowcases as a as-needed situation. Time to see how this spray works out. Now just spray your bed like this, just a couple sprays. And wow, it smells amazing. See, nice, clean, and a nice smelling room. Yes. And if you guys are in need of labels, this is where I purchase my labels from. This is called Miracle Design Studio. I love her labels. They just look very classy and give you the minimalist look. And I think that they're very unique and stand out from all the other labels. And be sure to check out her page on Etsy. I'll leave the link below. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.